In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram Reels so they post automatically, even when you're offline. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile. Make sure you see the professional dashboard. If you don't, switch your account to a creator or business account. Scheduling only works for professional accounts. Now tap the plus icon. Select or record the video you want to upload as a reel. Tap Next, edit your reel, then tap Next again. Scroll down and tap More Options. Find Schedule this reel and turn the toggle on. Select the exact date and time you want the reel to be posted. Tap Done. Now tap Schedule, then tap Share. Instagram will automatically post your reel at the selected time. You can schedule up to 25 reels per day and up to 75 days in advance. And that's how you schedule reels on Instagram. Like and subscribe for more Instagram growth tips.